Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will basically show you a application that I deployed on my website, which is text to video generator kind of application. So in this application we will generate a video file based upon the text that is written inside a txt file. You can basically upload your txt file, whatever txt file that you have stored right here. So this will be the txt file. I will take an example. So you will see that in this example we have return a test team of New Zealand. You will see 11 players are there, 1 2 3 4. So I will need to convert this into a video, and this video will be scrolling from bottom to top, and quite a little bit animation will also be done here. This is the actual content of the file. If I basically select this file, and then we can actually format all the values right here, whichever video you want to generate: mp4, avi, morph, mkv, MOV, 3GP, FLV. Let me select here MP4 and you can also manipulate the text color by using this color picker. I will change the color of my text to yellow color. Background color I will set to black color. You can even change this also. Video quality you can change to full HD. This is 480p, 640p, 240p. All the qualities are available. Let me select full HD, and then the length of the video, let me change to 12 seconds. So the video length generated will be 12 seconds. You can even change the font size as well. Let me change it to 45, and the speed of the text, which will be appearing from the bottom to top in the animated way, in a scrolling way. You can also change the speed as well. If you increase the speed, it will be like this, 7. Let me put here, and click on export to video. Now the video will be uploaded. It will process it using FFMPEG in Node.js Express, and now you can see it has been downloaded as a MP4 file. If I try to open that and play for you, this is the actual output that you will be getting, guys. And you will see that you can all modify this text here, and you can change the background color to red color. Let's suppose I change the background color to white color, text color to white color. I can even change the format to, let's suppose, now MKV. I select now MKV, and I change the speed of the text. Let me decrease it to 3. So now it will be appearing slightly slower. And now if you see, you can basically generate beautiful videos, guys, using this tool right here based upon the text file that you provided inside the text file. The text file can contain any text according to you, and it will basically generate this nice little video. And you can just use this tool, guys. The link is given in the description. You can just try out, and on my website freemediatools.com I have given the link in the description of the video, so you can check out the full demo. And also you can check out my other tools as well that I deployed using FFmpeg library. And now let's get started. For building this application, guys, I will be building using FFmpeg, which you need to have inside your local machine. So simply download FFmpeg. It's a cross-platform software available for Windows, Linux and Mac. So you, after downloading it, simply type FFmpeg, and if the command is successful, then you have successfully installed FFmpeg. Now for building the Node.js application, we need to have Express installed. Go to npmjs.com and just Express. This will be the actual web server which we will be using for our application to build the backend server. And then Malter library in order to actually upload the files to the server. This is actual another library. 3 million downloads are there. So all the source code is also given, guys. If you have any problems, you can directly purchase the full source code with full directory structure and the full working demo of the tool as well. So you can purchase it from PayPal in United States dollar or Stripe in Indian rupees. So both the payment links are also given in the description of the video. So now let's get started. So first of all, guys, I will delete the HTML code and also my this code as well. So now to initialize your package.json, you will simply write npm init-y. So this will create the empty package.json file, and then you just need to install Express and Malter. These are the two dependencies which are needed for this project, Express and Malter. Simply install these dependencies. So once these dependencies are installed, you just need to make a index.js file. And also you just need to make the uploads directory, guys. So here inside the uploads directory, we will be storing all the uploaded files for this application. So just make this uploads directory in the root directory of your application, and that's all. So here we will store all the files which will be uploaded. And now just make a public folder, guys, and make an index.html file right here inside this. This will be the HTML file that we will be showing to the user. And now let me initialize our Express app. So we will require it from Express. We will make a new app, Express app.listen. We will listen on port number 3000, and we will say that app is listening on port number 3000. After this, guys, what we need to do, we need to simply set the static directory. So what we can do, we can say we can make the public directory a static. So now inside public index.html, so if I write something here, I write here txt to video generator. That's also here we will actually be writing our HTML file. So for building the interface, guys, we are actually using Bootstrap. So you can basically include the CDN for Bootstrap. Just type Bootstrap CDN, and you can go to w3schools.com and simply paste the CDN of Bootstrap right here. We only need the CSS part. Simply after the title, paste the CSS of the Bootstrap, and after that we will actually have a parent tag of div container class. Inside this we will show a heading which is text to video generator. So if you just start your application, just type node.index.js, your application will start on port 3000, and if you type here localhost 3000, you will basically see your heading is there. After this, we just need to have a simple form here. This form action will go to method, here will be post, method will be here, sorry, action will go to /convert, and in this form basically we are also need to provide encoding type. So whenever we are actually uploading files, we do need to provide this multi-part form data. And here we will take, we are using the form group class of Bootstrap, and here we will simply tell the user to actually upload the txt file, and then we will have input type file, and we will only be accepting the .txt files and required. Give a form control class of Bootstrap. So if you see, basically we will have an input file which the user will select, and after this we will actually have basically our select list where the user can select the video formats. So various formats will be there. Just type here video format. So this will actually be a select list, and the name we will giving it, which is video format. Inside this we will have different options. First one will be MP4. Just type MP4 here, and based upon that we will basically have all these options. So MP4 will be selected by default, so we will give it a property of selected like this and paste it right here. You will see a AVI MP4. All these options will be there, you will see. And we do need to give it the form control class as well. We forgot to give it. So just give the select tag a class of Bootstrap which is form control. And also we also need to give it a name parameter to this input file, which is name is equal to file. If you see, basically now we will have this select field as well. After this we need the font color, the text color the user can manipulate, which is we will say font color, choose text color. So here input type will be of color. So here the user can select their favorite color. Default color will be yellow. So this will be the hexadecimal color of yellow color. Let me just turn off this. We will be giving a class of form control. So you can see that now we have this choose text color, and similarly we will do it for the background color as well. So this will be for background color. Default color here will be black, so 00000 black color. Just give it a name parameter as well here. Name is equal to background color, and here we will give it the name parameter as text color. After this, if you see, basically we have our text color, background color. Next one, we will actually control the quality of the video. So whichever quality you want to generate, you can basically select it. So we will say choose video quality. So we will actually again have the select list. So we will give it a name parameter of quality, and we will have different options here. First one will be 1920 by 1080, which is full HD resolution. So 1920 by 1080. So just give it a bootstrap class as well, form control. So this will be selected by default. So just give it a attribute of selected. Then we will actually have more options. Let me have just two options here, 1280 by 720, which is full HD, sorry, HD. Normally you just select these two options. You can even give more options if you want, and then we will actually have the option to actually control the length of the video. So here you will say choose length of video in seconds. So you just need to provide the value, a numeric value. So how many seconds you want the video to be, you can even control that. So we will actually have an input field of type number, and the default value will be 10 seconds. Name, I will give it length. Class form control. So now you can see that. So all these options are there, and lastly I think we will have the option numeric value once again, which is speed. You can also control the speed of video. Choose speed of video, sorry, choose a speed of text in second. So input type number, and I will change the name parameter to speed. Default value will be 4. That's all. So lastly guys, all these options are complete. Now we will actually have a button to actually submit the form. So the label will be export to video, and button type will be submit, and we'll give it a bootstrap class of btn danger, btn block. So now it will take up the full space, and it will say export to video. So this is actually the interface is complete guys of the application, and now we will actually write our JavaScript code which is required to actually submit the form. So here if you see, we are actually making a post request to this route which is called as /convert. So we just need to write our post request app.post/convert, and this will be a async function which is request response. Just don't make it async, that's all. We also need to require the Malter library. Here we will actually use to upload the files to the server. We will require this library, and we also need to require the execute method to actually execute the FFMPEG command in the console, sorry, programmatically. So for that we will use the built-in module of child process, and here we will configure Malter guys. So we will simply tell the Mortar library where to actually store the file. We'll have a destination object. So request file callback function. So inside this we will tell where to we will be storing it inside the uploads directory that we created, and then the file name, whatever file name, again it's a callback function. So we will be giving a random file names, file.original name, that's all. So after configuring Mortar, we can actually make the middleware, which is Mortar. We will pass the storage to the actual storage that we constructed, and right inside the post request we will pass this middleware. We will simply say upload.single. We will upload a single file, and then here we need to replace the name attribute that we have given in the index.html file. If you see, we have given this name attribute, which is named is equal to file. That exactly we need to give this name file. So now as you submit the form, guys, first of all it will execute this middleware. It will actually upload the file, the text file that you submit in the form, to this uploads directory. And after submitting it, we can simply console log the path, request.file.path. We can access that. So let me try to run this application. Choose a file, text file that I selected, click on export to video. So it is saying that cannot post slash. Let me see what is the problem. Method is equal to post. Sorry guys, this needs to be action, not accept. Just replace it to action here. Click on export to video, refresh the page. So if you check in the console, guys, basically your path is printed out uploads.file.txt. So if you check right here, basically you will see that our file has been successfully uploaded. So in this way, guys, you can actually upload the file. Now we need to basically process this file. So after doing this, we will actually get all the values. We can destructure it, font, basically all the values that are coming, which is background color, text color, and the speed, quality, and the length. So all these will be coming request.body middleware, guys. So we have given all these name attributes. If you check, we have given this name attribute, video format, again this name attribute, text color, background color. That's why I wanted to give these name attributes. So in this way, you can actually get these values that the user selects in the Express application. We have also given this quality, length, and this is speed, length. So text color, background color, speed, quality, length. So all these values that we got, guys. After doing this, we just need to construct our input text file path variable. So this will be request.file.path replace. We will need to replace it by this. We are basically using a regular expression right here to actually remove any comma. So this is required, guys. You just need to do this, copy this. You will get this. After this, we need to construct our output file path, which will be constructed. So we will say date.now, and after that, whatever extension that the user has selected. So we will say here request.body.video format. So you can see whichever format that you select, guys. If you select MP4 AVI, it will be appended as an extension. You will see that. So this will be the output name, dynamic. After doing this, we now need to execute, we need to convert our length to a number. For doing this, we will use the parseInt function in JavaScript to actually convert the string to a number, and also we will do it for speed as well. So we will actually convert these, it's actual string. We are converting it to a number because length is a number and speed is also a number. So now we will actually define our command which needs to be executed. This is a FFMPEG command. I also made a separate video on this topic as well, guys. If you haven't watched that video, the link is, you can search on my channel FFMPEG command to actually add the text from a text file. I recently made that video and explained this command in detail, how this command works. So let me use the same command here, FFMPEG -f for having the filter LAVFI dash I, and then color is equal to, I will simply paste this, guys. This is a pretty long command. So in the previous video I explained this command to you and paste it. So this is actually the dynamic parameters are there, guys. If you see, we are replacing it, output file path, all these things we are replacing. If you see, input text, file path as well, speed as well, font color, font size, length of the video, quality, background color, all these things we are replacing here. So text color, text color, we can say text color. So all these things we have replaced: the background color, text color, speed, quality, length, and the input file and the output file, and length and speed. So now we just need to execute this command. So we will use the execute method, pass this command, and error, standard out, standard error. It's a callback function. And after it executes, we can simply download the file as an attachment, response.download, output file path. So after processing it, it will download the output file as an attachment, so automatically. So if you reload the application now, I select this file, click, choose my text color. Let's suppose I choose it to blue. Background color, let me set it to white, and length of the video is 10, speed of text is 4. If you see, font size is not defined. Sorry, we are also need to get the font size as well. Font size, if you see, we have replaced it. We are replacing font size right here. So inside index.html, we are allowing the user to, okay, we haven't written that. So what I will do is that I will paste it right here. Choose font size. So default will be 40, and font size, that's all. So if you see now, we will have font size as well. If I select, change the text color to blue color and background color to, let's suppose, white. Font size, let me increase it to 46. Length of the video will be 15 seconds. Let's suppose the length of the speed of the text will be 2. Click on that, export to video. So now it will export this, execute this command, and if you want to troubleshoot, guys, what happened, you can basically console log if any sort of error take place, console log error. Let me see what is the error taking place right here. So I think you will see that basically the file, this was a previous file, not this file, sorry. Let me just now troubleshoot it. What is the problem? Let me select my text file and go with the default options. Let me see. If you see right here, basically it is saying that unable to choose output format for. Okay, sorry guys, you can see that we have missed this dot symbol right here. Extension. Before the extension, we need to put a dot symbol. That's the problem. Sorry, this needs to be dot here. Just replace dot. And now once again, choose your text file. Let me change the background color to blue color. Text color, background will be white. So now video is generated, guys. If you see, this is the actual text which is written, and it is converted to a video, scrolling video from bottom to top. And in this way, you can generate this, and you can customize this accordingly. Let me increase this to 46. Length of the video 15 seconds. Speed of 2. Let me change the to green color. Background color, let me change to black. So in this way guys, you can see that the quality of the video looks tremendous, and you will see that all the customizations you can basically make. So whatever things, you just need to pull the data from the text file, it will automatically create the file for you. And this is the actual file, we are taking it. You can make the changes, just remove the spaces right here, add more entries. So the link is given guys, you can basically check out the full demo of this tool on my website Free Media Tools. Before purchasing it, both the payment links are also given. If you're interested in the source code, you can even deploy this on your own website as well and earn a lot of revenue using AdSense and Ezoic. And thank you very much guys for watching this video, and I will be seeing you in the next video.